Before we start this, I have to say that it is recommended by Indian for you to have this done at your dealership. If you're not mechanically inclined, because we are going to be taking master cylinders off with the brakes, we're going to be loosening things up, going in here messing with some wiring. Yeah, if you're not mechanically inclined, take this thing to your dealership and get it done. So that's recommended by Indian, but of course, since we build bikes here, we're just going to do it. So let's get to it. Well, let's get started, not get to it. Let's get started.
Clutch cable. Yeah. All this protein. If you were changing out your headlight, you'd be halfway done. It's pretty easy. Okay, this is not the handlebar harness. this is the handlebar harness. So I gotta disconnect this, reconnect this, and try to figure out how the heck I'm gonna pull that back through. This, oh, no wonder it's freaking zip tied. That was not coming out. This is the handlebar harness that we already have disconnected. It comes through this hole right here, but it is zip tied. So there was no way this was gonna come off, and there's no way to access this without taking the full piece off. So now we're good to go. Okay, I am super freaking annoyed. We have cables here, and there's no freaking cables here. somehow the cables have freaking pulled down inside of the bar, and now I have to take all of this crap back off because I've sat here for 10 minutes trying to wiggle these cables. They ain't budging. They were a struggle to get through as is. All this has to come back off. This feels like home. It feels so much better. It is such a beautiful day to ride. Dude, this feels so freaking good. After testing a few things, putting some miles on this bike, I can tell you that everything feels great. The bars feels great, the power delivery with these bars up here feels great. My seating position, my posture is more upright. These bars are forcing me to sit more upright. The mirrors are feeling good or looking good. Everything, yeah, everything's working. So that install did take me a little bit longer than it should have. Never done it before, but it's honestly not that difficult. The big thing with these 2019 redesigned Indian Chieftains is that you have to take that front fairing off just to get to that handlebar harness. But once you do that, it's not that bad. So yeah, if you're looking to do this, yeah, it's not that bad. But I do have some engine codes because I disconnected some wiring, but that will eventually go away. But overall, I can say that this install was definitely a needed upgrade for this Indian Chieftain, and it feels so much better than what it did before, and it's brought back memories when I was riding my uncle's 585 cammed out Indian Chieftain and the first Indian Chieftain that I rode with a 116. So yeah, I'm happy. But as always, thanks for listening to my story. Definitely make sure you subscribe so you don't miss everything else that's coming, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.